Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the countryside, there lived an elderly teacher named Mr. Thompson. Known for his wisdom and ability to inspire his students, he decided to share a special lesson on the true value of time and priorities. One sunny day, Mr. Thompson entered his classroom holding a large glass jar. The students looked on with curiosity as he filled the jar with big rocks until it seemed impossible to fit anymore. He then asked the class, "Is the jar full?" The students nodded, believing that the jar was indeed full. However, Mr. Thompson smiled and reached under his desk. He brought out a bag filled with small pebbles and poured them into the jar. The pebbles slid into the spaces between the big rocks. "Now is the jar full?" he asked again. The students hesitated, but realizing the gaps were filled, some replied, "Yes, it is full." Unfazed, Mr. Thompson reached for another bag, this time filled with sand. He poured the sand into the jar, and it trickled down, filling the tiny gaps left between the rocks and pebbles. "Now surely the jar is full," he stated. The students nodded, convinced that there was no more space left in the jar. But to their surprise, Mr. Thompson reached for a pitcher of water and poured it into the jar until it was brimming, soaking the sand, pebbles, and rocks. "Now," said Mr. Thompson, "what can we learn from this?" One of the students raised their hand and said, "No matter how full our schedules may seem, if we manage our time well, we can always fit more into our lives." Mr. Thompson smiled and shook his head gently. "That's one way to look at it, but there's a deeper lesson here. The jar represents our lives, and the rocks, pebbles, sand, and water symbolize the things that fill our time." He continued, "The big rocks represent the most important things in our lives, our dreams, passions, and loved ones. If we prioritize them and give them the attention they deserve, everything else will fall into place." Mr. Thompson paused, letting his words sink in, before revealing the real twist of the story. "But what would happen if we had filled the jar with sand or water first?" he asked. The students contemplated for a moment before someone replied, "There wouldn't be enough space for the big rocks." "Exactly," exclaimed Mr. Thompson. "If we fill our lives with trivial matters like the sand and water, we won't have room for what truly matters. It is vital to identify our priorities and dedicate time and energy to them first." The classroom fell into a thoughtful silence as the students absorbed the profound lesson Mr. Thompson had shared. They realized that it was essential to focus on the significant aspects of their lives and not get caught up in the trivial and unimportant. From that day forward, the students approached their lives with a newfound understanding. They set their priorities straight, ensuring that their dreams, relationships, and passions took precedence. They learned that by aligning their actions with their values, they could lead fulfilling and purposeful lives. And as for Mr. Thompson, he continued to inspire generations of students with his timeless lesson, reminding them to fill their jars of life with the big rocks first, cherishing what truly matters, and leaving no room for regret.